and welcome to another episode of Play a Little More. I am Ushma Tyagi and we are at GMR Aerocity, which is the go-to place for the connoisseurs of good life. With 11 international hotels and plethora of most premium hospitality outlets, the GMR Aerocity offers a wide range of luxurious experiences to its visitors.
Prithvi, Shaw, उसके बाद Warner.
Our festive theme for this season is Play a Little More, where patrons are welcome to revel in the cricket madness at GMR Aerocity. We welcome you all with our arms wide open to indulge in games, quizzes and other fun activities. We have planned a host of experiences specially for you with exciting prizes and rewards. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Krish.
Hi Krish, who is your favorite player on the DC team?
My favorite player is David Warner.
David Warner,
Yeah.
so you are pretty much excited that he joined the DC team, yeah? So what do you think is the prediction for David Warner's performance in the next match?
I think he will score a century, definitely.
And can you predict whether we are going to bowl first or bat first?
I think पहले बैटिंग करेंगे, बड़ा स्कोर बना देंगे, उसके बाद सामने वाली टीम को चेज नहीं करने देंगे.
कितना स्कोर बनेगा आपको लगता है?
250 प्लस बना देंगे.
250 प्लस पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस है?
हाँ, बना देंगे.
अच्छा, अभी तक का सीरीज का वाव मोमेंट कौन सा है सबसे बड़ा?
वाव मोमेंट कौन सा है? हम स्क्रीनिंग पे गए थे, वहाँ पे जब ऑल आउट कर दिया हमने केकेआर को, तो बहुत मजा.
Hi, my name is Sumit Garg. My favorite DC player is Rishabh Pant.
Rishabh Pant is your favorite player.
RT.
So what is your prediction for Rishabh's performance in the next match?
Ma'am, I think he has to play in middle order, ma'am. He's coming upwards, ma'am, but he has to play in the middle order.
Okay.
The DC lacks middle order
All right, we'll take that. We'll tell DC about it. And another thing, in the next match, what do you think DC is going to bat or bowl first?
Ma'am, if DC wins the toss, of course they will ball first, ma'am.
Okay. And what has been your wow moment of the series till now?
Ma'am, wow moment, the opening partnership of David Warner and Prithvi Shaw.
Now that
they do amazing in the power play.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Aman.
Hi Aman, who's your favorite player on the team?
So my favorite player is the captain leading from the front, which is Rishabh Pant.
And can you predict Rishabh Pant's performance in the next match?
Yeah, so I predict a strong 100 for the next game. So I expect my captain to lead from the front in the next game.
And can you also predict whether we are going to bat or bowl first?
So we are gonna bat and we are gonna defend the total. And because I said we are expecting Rishabh Pant to score a century, so we are expecting a total of somewhere around 200. And probably Delhi will be the only team to score 250 in this tournament. So hoping for the best. Let's see.
And are you excited about David Warner joining in the team?
Of course, David Warner at the start gives us a very strong opening stand with Prithvi Shaw. So let's see, hope for the best. Let's see if they are able to score 250 or 300 odd runs in the next game.
Wow. you a cricket fan?
Yes, little bit.
Little bit. Do you play cricket?
No, I don't, but I like it.
Okay. It was really nice having you here. Thank you for coming up here and playing with us. We got some gifts for you. You get a cap. IPL follow kar rahe hain? Absolutely. Yeah, you like IPL? You're a cricket fan? Absolutely. If I ask you questions about Delhi Capitals, you'll know? CSK fan. But you might have information if I ask you. Kind of. Can't really determine what's the answer. Let's try. Okay, so who's the captain of Delhi Capitals? I guess Rishabh Pant. Yes. That is correct. To repeat it 20 times correctly and fast. Okay. Here you go. Red leather, white leather, 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 red leather.
Red leather, white leather, 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 red leather.
Are you guys ready? रंग शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी मुझे बोल दे तो मेरे यार बात रंग शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी